Why does IKEA make customers walk through the entire store? The answer reveals a clever design strategy that influences your shopping habits without you even noticing. IKEA's store layout is no accident. It's carefully designed to lead you on a winding path that showcases nearly every product. This encourages you to discover items you didn't plan to buy. By controlling your route, IKEA turns shopping into an experience where you're more likely to add extra things to your cart. It's a smart way to boost sales by turning browsing into impulse buying. Walking through the full store taps into how people shop. When you invest time walking through all the rooms and displays, you feel more connected to the products. That effort creates a sense of commitment, making it harder to leave empty-handed. Also, seeing fully furnished rooms helps you imagine products in your own home, increasing desire. This psychological nudge is subtle but powerful. IKEA's flow isn't just about psychology, it also maximizes space. The store's maze-like design uses every inch efficiently while preventing overcrowding. By guiding customers smoothly from one section to another, IKEA maintains a steady flow that encourages longer visits. Longer visits mean more chances to buy. The layout balances convenience with the goal of keeping you engaged throughout your trip. So next time you find yourself wandering through the entire IKEA store, remember it's by design. This clever layout boosts your exposure to products, taps into your shopping psychology, and maximizes space use. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and never look at a store layout the same way again.